Hello, we're gonna be doing mod3. I haven't done this problem yet, but so I'm just gonna freestyle it. So given an array of integers, return true if the array contains either three even or three odd values all next to each other. Okay, so the array contains either three even or three odd values next to each other. So, okay, even, odd, odd, odd. Okay, even, odd, even, odd. So that'll be a false. And then you get, so the reason why I'm freestyling is just so you guys can see my thought process. So, even, okay, I get you. Okay, so we just need a for loop. We're gonna initialize this to 0. I haven't coded in a while, so you guys forgive me. I make some, rookie mistakes. I feel like I am. I feel like is that right? Yeah, it's not a comma. It's a semicolon. I hope so. That's how long it's been, guys. Okay. So we're in there, right? And then we need a conditional statement here. Right, we need this. So if comes at I, there's a plane flying over. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Is equal to nums I. Oh, it's okay. It's nums I. I need to use the mod clearly, right? Nums 2, right? So if it's equal to 0, then it's even. And if it's even, we're gonna do what are we gonna do? Even plus plus. Right? Let me create the even variable right now. Set it to 0. Okay, and then we're gonna have an else if right here. So we're gonna do the same thing. Do mod 2. And I'm just freestyling this. Say it's not equal to 0, then that means it's an odd number. Do odd plus plus. So we need an odd integer. Set that to 0. Okay. So now of course this is not going to give us the right answer. Because if it hits the even and then the next number is an odd, you have to reset the count. So if that's the case, right, we'll say even is equal to 0. And if this said odd is equal to 0. And if even is equal to 3, or if odd is equal to 3, I'm going to move this up. What are we going to do? We're just going to, what do we return? We return true. Okay. Outside of this, we're going to return false. That means we did not find 3 that are even or odd. They're next to each other. Okay. I'm doing something wrong, I think. Yeah, I'm supposed to move this up. Probably clean it up a little bit too before I run it. Okay. Alright, let me just look at it real quick. So we have our variables set up, right? We have the for loop set up. Hopefully I wrote it right. Okay, so if we hit the numbers we're looking for, we're gonna return true, yes. And then if right here, if the array that we're at the index we mod to it to find out if it's even, and if it is even, do even plus plus, and we reset odd to 0. Okay, and it's like, all right, well, let's just check it out. And it looks like we didn't hit for some reason, so let's look why. So we got 2. Okay, right, we hit that. 1, 2. Okay, so hypothetically, what if I just copy this right here and I put it right here? Will that fix it? Yeah. Yep, that's funny. So all right, so I'll tell you why that didn't work. Let me delete it. Okay, so originally why that didn't work was because we're going through this loop, right? We go 2, we go we start at 0, right? And we go to 1, we go to index 2, and then we go to index 3, and then the program ends. It never comes back and hits this. This condition. So the way we could fix it, so we don't have 2 of them, we put at the end. Nah, that wouldn't even be a good idea, honestly. So originally, what I was thinking was, we have this right here, we have this right there, and of course we know this is gonna run. So here, I'm just gonna be rambling on for a little bit. So if you're good already, just end the video. All right. I'm gonna try to figure out a way so that we don't have 2 conditional statements of the same type, basically. So if you're good right here, just end the video. But I'm gonna try to see if I could, just have 1 conditional statement to satisfy this. Another way we could do it, right? If it's even, then we just we'll have a condition in here, and it'll be like, if even is equal to 3, return true. So let's see, this is how it would look like. Even is equal to 3, and then we say return true, and then we don't need to have this, and we're gonna get rid of this too because we're not gonna need it. So then ideally, right, what we would do is we just have that in here too. If odd is equal to 3, and return true, and that would be it. Problem is, we gotta keep checking it, right, after each iteration. But let's see, that would work too. You know what? I'm not gonna put too much more thought into it. Yeah, this is some easy stuff for me. Yeah. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. I'll help you out.